Hello, dear B Pharmacy students. Once again, you are welcome in this online session. So, today we are going to do some questions, practical questions, problems on the topic Poisson's distribution. In the last video, we have just seen the derivations of Poisson's distribution, its recurrence formula, standard deviation, mean, and so on. Today, we'll do the questions regarding based on those topics. The very first question is the average number of road accidents on any day is 2.5. Find the probability that the number of accidents are at least 1 and second one is for at most 1. Given that e raised to power minus 2.5 is equals to 0.0821. This numeric value is one given to you. Now let's see the probability function for the Poisson's distribution is given by Px equals to r e raised to power minus m into m raised to power r upon r का factorial. This we have seen in the previous video. And here m is equals to average number is given, that is m is equals to mean is equals to 2.5. Okay, average is another name for mean. So firstly we have to find out the probability for at least वन. एट लीस्ट वन का मतलब होता है कि कम से कम एक तो होना ही चाहिए. अगर इससे ज़्यादा हो देन इट्स एक्सेप्टेड. That means it can be equal to 1 or it can be greater than equals to 1. So that means for probability for x is greater than equals to 1. Now probability for greater than equals to 1 is all the probabilities are included but except for x equals to 0. अगर बोला गया है कि या तो 1 हो या फिर 1 से ग्रेटर हो तो 1 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. सो दैट मीन्स हम उसका टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी में से माइनस कर देंगे 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ 0. तो बस एक्स आर की वैल्यू यहाँ पे एक्स की वैल्यू ऑफ आर जो कि 0 है वो पुट कर देंगे, ठीक है, इस फॉर्मूले में. देन वी कैन सॉल्व हेयर 1 माइनस ई रेस्ट पर माइनस एम. इफ यू पुट एम इक्वल्स टू 2.5 देन 1 माइनस ई रेस्ट पर माइनस 2.5. दिस वैल्यू वॉज गिवन टू यू डायरेक्टली 0.80821. So 1 minus 0.0821 will give you 0.9179. That is for at least 1 the probability of the number of accidents. Similarly you have to find out for x is less than equals to 1, that is for at most 1. At most 1 का मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1 ही होना चाहिए. 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, 1 से कम हो सकता है. तो या तो 1 हो सकता है या 0 हो सकता है. तो x इक्वल्स टू 0 के लिए, x इक्वल्स टू 1 के लिए. x इक्वल्स टू 0 के लिए हम लोगों ने पहले भी फाइंड किया था, वैल्यू सिर्फ क्या आ रही थी e raised पर माइनस m. Now for x equals to 1 you can see over here, if you take e raised to power minus m common, it is e raised to power minus m into 1 plus m. So the next question is example on recurrence formula. So the example on recurrence formula is if the variance of the Poisson's distribution is 4, variance is given to you as 4, that is sigma square is equals to 4. Find the probabilities for r equals to 1, 2, 3 from the recurrence formula of Poisson's distribution. देखिए सिग्मा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू 4 है और हम लोगों ने देखा था जी कि जो वेरिएंस होता है पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की उसकी वैल्यू हमारी आई थी सिग्मा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू एम. सो इफ सिग्मा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 4 देन एम इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू 4. सो recurrence formula is p of r plus 1 is equals to m upon r plus 1 into p of r. That is only the recurrence formula for Poisson's distribution. So if we just put the value here m equals to 4, then formula will become 4 upon r plus 1 into p of r. Now one by one let's put r equals to 0, 1 and 2, because for that values only we have to find the probabilities. So if we put r equals to 0, then probability of 0 plus 1, just we have seen here that we have substituted r equals to 0 over here, then put down all the values, you will get probability of 1 as 0.0733. Now r equals to 1, we can solve here probability of 1 plus 1, that will become probability of 2 exactly. P of 0 plus 1 will become probability of 1. Probability of 1 plus 1 will give you probability of 2, that is probability of 2 equals to this 8 into 0.01832.